Android smartphone. Comes in a very nice box, very colourful. If we have a quick look at what we get in the package, get the phone itself. So the cool thing about this phone is that it runs Android 4.0, which is Ice Cream Sandwich, but it's one that you can actually dip in water. It's waterproof, completely waterproof. If we have a look at all the accessories in the box, you get a nice cover for it. Keep it nice and protected. A screen protector. There. You get a micro USB cable for data transfer and charging. This little plunger looking thing is actually a stand for it, so if you were to stick it in the bottom, there you go, that's how your phone stands. Cool little plunger. Get a little capacitive screen stylus, a little micro SD card reader, just gets thrown in, which is nice. Get a pair of high headphones